guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to do a simple makeup look for 2019, and it's because it's the first day of spring today, and so I decided to do a makeup look. And besides that, I feel like today, so I'm going to play with the makeup and we'll see how am I gonna do my final look. So then just keep on watching it. So first of all, I'm going to use this Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I'm going to spray this one first so that my face will be a little bit hydrated, because as you guys can see, I feel like my face is too dull and it's spring, so I need to take away the winter face season vibes on my face. So let's go. I'm going to spray this one now. Next is the eyebrows. I'm going to use this Etude Drawing eyebrow with the shade of dark brown. So I'm going to just brush or comb my eyebrows first and make sure they are in good shape. And I'm going to use these LA Girl Pro Conceal in the natural shade. This is the concealer. I'm just gonna go clean up a little bit in there, and I'm just gonna use my ring finger to blend. So I'm going to use this still. This is the LA Girl Conceal. I'm going to use this on my eyelids just to make my base in there to be even out. And now I'm going to use this Airspun. This is the translucent extra coverage. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Profusion Confidence. This is their holiday edition for 2018, and they don't have this anymore in their website, but they do have the I believe it's the Sienna. Use these ones right here, the Secure. So I'm going to do is just pack it in all over my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go pack it. And now I'm going to use this brush. Let's see, and then I'm going to blend them to go like this. So now it's done. I just like one eyeshadow on my eyelid. I'm going to move on to the eyeliner and then mascara, and then doing my and then I'm going to put the falsies or false eyelashes. So for the tight lining, I'm going to use these CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus, and this is in the shade of Black Onyx. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my lashes and then put some coat of mascara. And I'm going to use this Lash Princess by Essence. For the false eyelashes, I'm going to use these AOA Studio and in the Amy design. These are from Shop Miss A, and this is $1. So I'm going to do it off camera because this is gonna take for a while, because I'm not really a great one to put eyelash falsies right now. So I'm back with these falsies, and I did use the liquid eyeliner by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their Intense Ink Liner. I like it because it does have that very tiny pointy in there, so it's easier for me to do a very thin liner here, and then just a little bit of that wing in there. So here it is. So I like this, using this one now. So now moving on, we're gonna go to our face. So next I'm going to use these e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their Prep and Hydrate Balm. Here it is. So that I'm just gonna get a freshen underneath here. Foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me. This is their Dewy Smooth. This is a normal to dry, so my skin right now is too dry, so I wanted to have a little bit dewy in my face. So yeah, by the way, I'm in the shade 130 or Buff Beige, and then I'm going to mix it with this liquid highlighter with Vitamin E from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it. Hopefully this is enough. So I use only a single layer for my foundation. So now I'm going to use this Mega Cushion Foundation by Wet n Wild. This has a SPF 15. And for concealer, I'm going to use this No Filter Concealer by ColourPop in the shade Medium 30 or Medium 28. Now I'm going to do is bake a little bit. So next I'm going to do is bronzer. I'm going to use this Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade of 300. Blush. I'm going to use these NYX Cosmetics Paradise Fluff in the shade Sweet Custard. It's not blush, but it's a highlighter, but I like it as a blush, so yeah. And then highlighter, which is I'm going to use this AOA Pro highlighter in the shade of Astro. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Brow Precise in the deep brown. Now I'm going to spray this Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And for the lips, I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Stay Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ruler.